1. Crop picture with Scribble tool. Go to Insert menu, Shapes, Scribble. Then draw your custom line. Hold Control button. Select Picture and Shape. Go to Format, Merge Shape, Intersect. You can add shadow effects and glow effects. Two. Crop picture with Auto Shape tool. Insert, Shapes, then choose the shape you want to use. Hold Control button, select Picture and Shape. Format, Merge Shape, Intersect. You can add shadow effects and glow effects. Three. Crop picture with ratio. Select Picture, Format, Crop, Ratio, then choose ratio you want. Four. Crop multi-pictures with layout. Assume we have these pictures, and I want crop all pictures just one step. Control A to select all pictures. Format Picture Layout, and choose template you like. Right-click, Ungroup. Ungroup once again. Hold Control, select all pictures. Right-click, Cut. Then delete all other remain shapes. Right-click, Paste. Right-click, Format Shape and adjust size. Five. Crop picture with icons. Insert, Icons. Choose icon you want to use. Select icon and click Insert. Right-click, Ungroup. Hold Control. Select Picture and Shape. Format, Merge Shape, Intersect. Resize and add effects, shadow, glow. 6. Crop picture with custom shapes. Insert. Text box. Type letter I. You can use any letter you want. I use font laser 84. Insert. Shapes. Rectangle. Right-click Send to Back to move rectangle behind the text. Hold Ctrl, select rectangle and text. Merge shapes. Intersect. Ctrl D to duplicate shape. Rotate this shape. Repeat this step. Ctrl A to select all shapes. Format. Merge shapes, union. Insert picture. Right-click on picture. Choose Send to Back. Hold Ctrl, select picture and custom shape. Go to Format, Merge Shapes, Intersect. Then add effects, shadow, glow if need.